Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to provide you the answers of the exercise of preposition which I asked you to solve yesterday. Okay, so start with first exercise. From the given alternative, choose the most appropriate choice to fill in the blank each. First sentence. The shopkeeper cannot part dash his wealth. The shopkeeper cannot part dash his wealth. Options are from, with, of, away. So what is the answer? With. The shopkeeper cannot part with his wealth. Okay. Next sentence. I did not expect such treatment dash your hand. I did not expect such treatment at your hand. So what are the answer? I did not expect such treatment at your hands. Okay. Third one. Do you prefer pears dash peaches? Do you prefer pears dash peaches? So note one thing. Anytime when you got prefer verb with prefer we have to always use to. So what is the answer? Do you prefer pears to peaches? Okay. At any condition, if there is prefer, then with prefer there is only one preposition is came, that is to. Move to the fourth one. The man is blind dash one eye. One eye. It means the man is blind in one eye. Okay, not by. The correct answer is in. Move to question number 5. I have yet to come dash a man like him. I have yet to come across a man like him. I repeat, I have yet to come across a man like him. Move to the question number 6. I apologize dash what I have done. I apologize for what I have done. I apologize for what I have done. Move to the seventh sentence. Dash Anjali and Leena, the latter is more intelligent. So there are two girls, Anjali and Leena. So between Anjali and Leena, the latter is more intelligent. It means Leena is more intelligent than Anjali. Next sentence. The boys were fighting dash one another. The boys were fighting against one another. I repeat, the boys were fighting against one another. Next sentence. Dash Anju and Rohini, there were 3 more girls in the field. So what we have to fill? Besides Anju and Rohini, there were 3 more girls in the field. It means in addition to Anju and Rohini, there were 3 more girls in the field. What is the meaning of besides? I explained on that day that besides mean in addition to, के साथ साथ, के अतिरिक्त. Move to the 10th sentence. 10th sentence. Please tell me if he is related dash Mr. Jordan. Please tell me if he is related to Mr. Jordan. I repeat, please tell me if he is related to Mr. Jordan. Move to the second question. Choose the most appropriate option from the ones given below to complete the following sentences each. Who has tempered dash this lock? So answer is who has tempered with this lock. Who has tampered with this lock? Second one, the access dash this house is blocked. Answer is the access to this house. The access to this house is blocked. Third one, health is preferable dash wealth. I told you that when you get the verb prefer, so either prefer or preferable, we have to use to. This option, fourth option. So answer is health is preferable to wealth. Thus I prefer coffee to tea. I prefer mango to grapes. Mother distributed alms dash the poor. It means fourth one, to the poor, among the poor, between the poor, for the poor. It means among the poor. Mother distributed alms among the poor. Next one, it has been raining dash Tuesday. Point of time is given, fixed point of time is given. So what we have to use? E. It has been raining since Tuesday. Next, it has rained continuously dash 2 days. 2 days duration are there, so it has rained continuously for 2 days. He went to Faridkot dash train. He went to Faridkot by train. Girish sat dash Harish. Girish sat dash Harish. What are the options? Girish sat beside Harish. Girish sat besides Harish. Girish sat with Harish. या Girish sat after Harish. So both beside, besides and with. Here all three options are correct. Either you say Girish sat beside Harish, it means Girish is sitting beside the Harish, bagal mein. And if you said Girish sat besides मतलब in addition to, के अतिरिक्त, it means Harish के अतिरिक्त Girish भी वहाँ था. And if you say Girish sat with the Harish, it means Girish Harish के साथ था. Okay, so these are the answers of the exercise which I asked to do. I hope you are solved this exercise. If you have any doubt, kindly ask me freely on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.